I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first wiring steps. First, verify the LED keeper model and match the power supply voltage. This prevents damage. Next, attach the resistor inline if required, then connect the keeper's ground to the supply ground. Once done, clip the positive lead to the keeper input and secure connections. Make sure to use firm crimps or solder joints for reliable contact. This keeps voltage stable and prevents flicker as you move to programming. You now configure modes and fine-tune behavior. Connect the LED keeper to your controller or computer using the provided interface. Once recognized, open the configuration utility. Load a preset to test basic operation, then modify parameters. Set brightness limits, timing steps, and color mapping so transitions match your scene. While adjusting, observe live output and iterate slowly. Small increments avoid abrupt jumps. Remember to save a named profile. After confirming the sequence runs for the desired, you finish by securing hardware and validating operation. Mount the LED keeper in its enclosure, route cables neatly, and run the full lighting sequence from start to finish while watching for heat or irregular flicker. Measure current draw to confirm it stays within limits, and log any anomalies. If lights fail or behave oddly, first power down, then check wiring polarity and resistor values. Next, reflash the keeper firmware if needed. As a key tip, a loose ground often causes intermittent flicker. Recheck that connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.